Oraciones simples. Simple sentences. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? ¿Qué tal tu día? How was your day? How was your day? How was your day? ¿En qué puedo ayudarte? How can I help you? How can I help you? How can I help you? Me encanta esta ciudad. I love this city. I love this city. I love this city. ¿Tienes planes para el fin de semana? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? Do you have any plans for the weekend? ¡Feliz cumpleaños! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! ¿Cómo te fue en el examen? How did you do on the exam? How did you do on the exam? How did you do on the exam? No entiendo lo que estás diciendo. I don't understand what you're saying. I don't understand what you are saying. I don't understand what you're saying. ¿Quieres tomar algo? Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? Me gustaría pedir la cuenta. I would like to ask for the bill. I would like to ask for the bill. I would like to ask for the bill. ¿Cuál es tu opinión sobre este tema? What is your opinion about this topic? What is your opinion about this topic? What is your opinion about this topic? Me alegra verte de nuevo. I'm glad to see you again. I'm glad to see you again. I'm glad to see you again. ¿Te importaría repetirlo, por favor? Would you mind repeating it, please? Would you mind repeating it, please? Would you mind repeating it, please? ¿Vienes al cine con nosotros? Are you coming to the movies with us? Are you coming to the movies with us? Are you coming to the movie with us? ¡Qué rico está este platillo! This dish is so delicious. This dish is so delicious. This dish is so delicious. ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? How do I get to the train station? How do I get to the train station? ¡Qué sorpresa verte por aquí! What a surprise to see you here. What a surprise to see you here. What a surprise to see you here. Lo siento mucho. No puedo ir. I'm very sorry. I can't go. I am very sorry. I can't go. I'm very sorry. I can't go. ¿Qué te parece si vamos al parque? What do you think about going to the park? What do you think about going to the park? What do you think about going to the park? ¿Me podrías prestar tu bolígrafo? Could you lend me your pen? Could you lend me your pen? Could you lend me your pen? Me gustaría hacer una reserva. I would like to make a reservation. I would like to make a reservation. I would like to make a reservation. ¿Quieres que te traiga algo de la tienda? Do you want me to bring you something from the store? Do you want me to bring you something from the store? Do you want me to bring you something from the store? No puedo esperar para ver la película. I can't wait to see the movie. I can't wait to see the movie. I can't wait to see the movie. ¿Cómo te va en el trabajo? How is work going for you? How is work going for you? How is work going for you? Buena suerte en tu entrevista de trabajo. Good luck with your job interview. Good luck with your job interview. Good luck with your job interview. ¿Quieres ir a bailar esta noche? Do you want to go dancing tonight? Do you want to go dancing tonight? Do you want to go dancing tonight? Estoy muy emocionado por mi viaje. I'm very excited about my trip. I'm very excited about my trip. I'm very excited about my trip. Qué lindo es tu perro. Your dog is so cute. Your dog is so cute. Your dog is so cute. ¿Puedo pedirte un favor? Can I ask you for a favor? Can I ask you for a favor? Can I ask you for a favor? Gracias por tu ayuda. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.